men. And I use the term loosely. I've been working on that lately. 1962 Harley Cervicar. And I find it necessary to remove a wheel. That wheel right there. And a little remedial education for you guys. Amongst the primary concepts of a wheel vehicle is that the wheel remain attached to the vehicle. If the wheel doesn't remain attached, it's no longer a wheeled vehicle. And I mention this because apparently there are those among us who practice this mechanical art and science who don't grasp the concept. The method of attaching most wheels to the vehicle is the lug nut. And a word of caution here, if you're going to be working on this wheeled vehicle, you must be smarter than the lug nut. If you're not smarter than the lug nut, if there's any doubt in your mind as to whether or not you're smarter than the lug nut or not, lay down your tools and walk away, because the lug nut will beat you every time. Let's look at these lug nuts. They have a long, straight shank on them, and they have a washer that's installed that just kind of freewheels around over here and really doesn't do anything. This one isn't even tight either. It's a little bit loose. But anyway, got a washer that freewheels around on the lug nut. And I thought to myself, that's curious. Why would a mechanic go through the extra work? Because mechanics, as I've said before, are kind of lazy. Why would I go through the work of putting a washer on every lug nut that doesn't do anything? Interesting. Now, in the interest of full disclosure, I've had this wheel off and on a couple times already. Let me show you what I found out upon trying to tighten the lug nuts. This long straight part of the shank is actually almost exactly the same size as the hole in the wheel. And if you tighten this lug nut, or try to tighten it, all it does is force the shank of the lug nut into the wheel. So the wheel is not really retained by the head of the lug nut. The wheel is retained only by the amount of friction between the shank and the hole in the wheel. Now, some misguided, stupid, imbecile mechanic thought that putting these washers on there was going to fix that. How could that possibly be? It don't fix dick. The only way this could fix anything is if the stack of washers was sufficiently tall to reach the bottom of the head of the bolt. So in fact, I could tighten this lug nut until this long straight part of this shank bottoms out on the brake drum. This washer does nothing, and the wheel is retained only by friction on the shanks of these lug nuts. Now, will it fall off? Probably not. But come on, people, Jesus Christ, it's a damn lug nut. I just, I run across this stuff in the course of my practice, and I just don't believe what I see most of the time. These lug nuts were intended for automobile mag wheels. If you had a mag wheel on there, this would probably be the kind of lug nut it would have, but not for a plain, steel dish wheel. This just kills me. It just kills me. Anyway, make sure before you attack a wheel that you are, in fact, smarter than the lug nut. Yeah, lug nuts. This lug nut was removed from the Cervicar, and this is the kind of lug nut that probably should be on there. This lug nut, this shank here, is just the right size so that if you crank it down, it actually goes inside the hole on the wheel. so it doesn't really hold it down. There's a friction binding between the hole in the wheel and the slug nut, so it's sort of retained, but it isn't really retained. This is the type of lug nut it should have. This angle here, this cone, goes into the same hole that this goes into, but because it's wider at the top than it is at the bottom, it wedges itself in and holds the wheel centered over the stud that the lug nut attaches to. So I've gotten rid of all of these, and we're going to install these, and the owner will no longer have to worry about his wheels falling off. Of course, he wasn't worried about it anyway because he didn't know that it had the wrong damn lug nuts in it. But I was worried about it because once I saw this, then I knew, and I can't let it go that way. I just like to give him a little crank with a regular wrench. Notice how these lug nuts are actually getting tight. Interesting. I'm now confident that wheel's not going to fall off. Men, if you like this channel and this content, the single most important thing you could do to help grow this channel is to hit the subscribe button. I also have new design coffee cups and stickers available. I like the old coffee cups, but I like these new ones even more. Links are included in the description down below. And for those of you who really want to go the extra mile, you could join me on Patreon. Link is also included in the description down below. And to all of you who have watched these videos, I'd like to say thank you. Thank you very much. I really, really do appreciate it. We'll see you next time. Bye.